Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make pork meat. First, choose a quality cut of pork, such as a loin or chops, ideally around 1.5 inches thick. Pat the meat completely dry using paper towels. This step is crucial for achieving a beautiful, crispy sear. Then, season both sides generously with salt, freshly ground black pepper, and any other herbs or spices you enjoy. This simple preparation sets the stage for delicious results. Now, let's get that perfect sear. Place a heavy-bottomed pan, like cast iron, over medium-high heat until it's nice and hot. Add about 1 tablespoon of a high smoke point oil, such as canola or grapeseed, to the pan. Carefully place the seasoned pork into the hot oil and sear for 3 to 4 minutes per side. You're looking for a rich, golden brown crust to develop. After searing, reduce the heat to medium-low. Add a tablespoon of butter and some aromatics like garlic cloves and fresh thyme to the pan. Tilt the pan and continuously baste the pork with the melted butter and pan juices for another 5 to 7 minutes. Continue cooking until the internal temperature reaches 145 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring it's perfectly cooked and juicy. Once cooked, transfer the pork to a cutting board and let it rest for 5 to 10 minutes. This resting period is absolutely essential. It allows the juices to redistribute throughout the meat, ensuring every bite is incredibly tender and moist. Finally, slice the pork against the grain and serve it immediately. Enjoy your perfectly cooked, flavorful pork.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.